Hi guys, welcome to this video. I've been playing with Void Linux and been rewriting or adding scripts to ArcoLinux Nemesis. ArcoLinux Nemesis is the way to control any Linux system out there, more specifically the Arch guys, but lately I've also tackled other guys with the idea, what if Arch Linux does not exist anymore, or I want to get rid of Arch and move Chadwm, XFC, you see it, we have it, but I'd like to have Chadwm as a tiling window manager on Solus or Nabara, or is it Nobara, right? Anything else but Arch. So here we are on Void Linux and we got the same idea. So yes, we have everything available here, all the folders, files, normal stuff that XFCE provides. There's nothing special in here, right? That's okay, because we want to do our thing, right? So first of all, maybe go to here, open folder, and I normally would say I'll put something in there, data, and in data we put Nemesis. So it's a git clone thing. Now git is not found, sudo x bs install and then git. I would have to think. So that's our pacman, right? Or apt install. And then we have git clone https github.com/ArcoLinux Nemesis, right? And it knows where it is. Oops. It knows where it is. So when it sees an OS release, a file in your etc OS release, even when it sees that, right, current choices, he knows he's on Void, and it's gonna not sudo pacman and all that, but it's gonna use its own package manager. So maybe we should make this a little bit bigger. That's one thing, and that would be interesting. Not that it's annoying, but better for sure. Then we can have a look at the information we can find on the internet. Void Linux, how to install packages. Okay, and off you go. XBPS, the X binary package system, fast package manager, and so on. Okay, so that's basically doing the job. I sit back and I listen while I check. Not much to listen, but in here, in the personal, in the settings, is a lot of things. Garuda stuff is here, Mint stuff is here, Solus stuff is here, Ubuntu is here, Void is now here. We're missing Debian, Fedora, and there was Nobara, that's the correct pronunciation. And all of those guys, Alma Linux, Chadwm. So yeah, there's a lot of things possible in Linux. And yes, I'd like to have the same look and feel, but also the same apps. The flow is the same. If I can have Chadwm, yeah, it will be the same everywhere. But it's those things that you say, if that's not working, the deal breakers, right? If that's not working, then I can't migrate to that system. So that's where everything is set. We go to this one, Void, right? So this is what he's doing. He's only doing this, and actually only doing what I've done until now, which is apps install design and personal configs. But we can add this guy, Chadwm. So I go to my second screen, which you can't see, and I say, you know what, install Chadwm works. Save. So next time around, and this one works as well already, and the rest we keep out. Okay, so 2 extra lines that actually work already. Well, it's there. How do you know it's there? Because when I do right mouse click, open terminal, git pull, you get changes. So I've changed the one all-in-one, and now it says, please install Chadwm, install apps install. I think we need to reverse it, since some of the packages, let's see, reverse it. I do this. By reverse, I mean first install packages, then secondly install Chadwm. That feels like a better order of things. So in the commit I write order. Here I say git pull again. That changes. What did I change? Reload. First the apps install, then Chadwm. Then we build everything locally, and these things I'll see what I'll do with it, because that's coming from Ubuntu. Basically copy paste from Ubuntu, and then sudo apt install does not work anymore. We take something else then, and that's it, right? I think I clicked this thing. Oh, so there is something in here that I should edit. It's probably gonna be personal configs, I think. Personal configs, control find. So it's asking me a yes and a no. I don't want a yes and a no. Python 3 distro, control find, Python 3, here, yes. So I'm gonna add minus yes behind it, save. So next time around, I don't need to press yes here. Let's push that to the internet. Yes. And then I say git pull. Personal configs is changed. Personal config is changed. Personal config is changed. The problem was control find Python 3. This one, right? I've added this yes here, so we don't see it anymore. All is done, it says, but not Chadwm, of course. So arrow up, and now it's gonna install Chadwm. The thing that's missing. All right, everything okay. So this is cool. So if you rerun it, just a small line, that's all I need. That's already installed. And here comes the stuff for Chadwm, and we will switch shortly to Chadwm. That's Chadwm. This is something special. From time to time, you don't find what you want, right? In install apps local, we're using a build from source. So we're gonna get this thing here, the bootstrap, binary bootstrap. And then later on in a function, we say install Vivaldi, Sublime Text 4, Telegram Desktop, Opera, Discord still on the lookout, Git ahead still to do. That's great, right? Next day, next day, next day. But it's fun to figure out how to get things done on the system you've never seen before. And then you put everything into a script. So in a year from now, I'll try it again, or 6 months from now, all right? I have already this. I'll run this script, get my stuff. And what we're doing here, it's very, very long, right? It's downloading everything, every package that's possibly available. So basically we're downloading AWAR, right? In ArcoLinux terms, we have we are cloning inside void packages. We are cloning the complete overview of all the packages available on Void, which is quite a bit. As you see, that's the size, resolving delta. And then with this available, then later on you can say, go and install me this, right? Build and install Vivaldi. Vivaldi is the package. Here's a function. If the package is not installed, then you go and build the package. This is the, let's say, a script and then a file, right? Here is the file. That's the one. Build me a package with that name, and off it goes. Building, I think first Vivaldi. Yeah. No, this is not Vivaldi yet. This is still the set everything up, and the set everything up is here. The bootstrap. This is Vivaldi. And off it goes, building everything. And next time if you run it, it will say it's already installed and skips it. Can't live without Sublime Text. Melt is already there, I think. Melt. Was it in development? Yeah. Voila. Melt and Sublime Text. Ooh, rip grab. No idea. Yeah, it's there. It's there. RG. Voila, it's there. Those things are workflow things. We're at Opera here. Telegram. This is okay. Pibata cursor is there. So let's see, after 5 hours of work. Yes, that's okay. Maybe I can do something about it, but yeah, sure. Rewrite. So the hack font is there as well. It tries to rewrite it because I ran it again. And off we go. I say it, but log out, bye. Now, first type in the password and the login, then change, then login. So this is what we get. That's working fine. All the icons are here. That's great. And as you see, I get a wallpaper, which is not mine. You know, it's Variety providing lots of stuff. And the stuff is coming from Wallhaven. Abstract, minimal space, sci-fi, simple. I just get wallpapers. Alt N is a new wallpaper, etc., etc. Resizing, you know what to do with the resizing bit in the config. Everything is actually here already. Arco Chadwm, ArcoLinux Nemesis, and Void Chadwm. It's already set, right? Copy paste up a file somewhere, done. No need to set everything up. It's there already. And I was going to go to this one. We were looking at the size of the screen. The size of the screen depends on what screen size you have. So that's in the run. And we did not put anything here. No. So in this one, we left it out. And well, I'll quickly show that. Ctrl-Alt-T, A render. I still have to do something about the QWERTY, so that's on my menu, so enjoy. Tell the QWERTY people it's great for you now. It's not great for me. It's not AZERTY. I was thinking of running a render. Is that installed? A render is installed. So basically all I need to do and get is 1920. Go for it. And I'll save it as Eric. Voila, saved. Thank you. And then we have something here. Screen layout, this one. Copy, 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 copy. That's Sublime Text. Control V. Run this one, please. Thank you. Probably good as is. We'll see. Save, super X, log out, log in. There you go. Right, so that depends on, ooh, nice, on where you are. Not nice. Alt T, trash. Oh, cool. Alt F, favorite. And there we go. So we have Control T. Let's go over them. Super Enter, Super Q, which is my A still, right? Super A, Super Q, Super D. Sure. Super Shift D. Super Shift D. Ooh, the D menu is not there. So sudo install D menu. Was that a problem? Ah, yeah. D menu. Super Shift D. Voila. So I go to my system, to my other second screen. Control find. No. Install apps. Install. I look at the D menu. Now sometimes it's called suckless tools. Maybe that's why. Control find D menu is nowhere to be found. Suckless is nowhere to be found. So D menu. I'll just add it to the list of packages to be installed next time. And that's the fun, right? On each occasion that you install something, you say, oh, I'm missing that, or I should change that, and that's it. Next time around, the menu will be there. The menu, done. So you go to Data, ArcoLinux Nemesis, Git pull, and it's changed, right? In this file, the menu has been included. So there's that. Super X is working, so it's our ArcoLinux logout. But if it fails, that's okay, because there is super Shift X, which is a logout, a reboot, a lock, a suspend, and a shutdown as well. Still need to figure out what it likes to see for a shutdown, right? There's a command behind it, and it says, so what? I won't close. Fine, right? So things need to be figured out. Lock is there. That works. And the reboot. Nothing happens. Log out. That works. Maybe a new welcome screen there, but that's I left everything untouched. Just void at this point in time. But there you go. Discord still to be found if it's available. Firefox is available. It goes to this screen. I don't want it to go there alone, but okay. So fine, it's here. Super Shift A. This one is minstick. Minstick is there. If I do some effort. So minstick is basically a build rather than an installation. Where are you? Build, install minstick. Couldn't live without it. So BE build install minstick. GitHub does not. Well, I still need to figure that out. So to do, that's what we need for minstick. True. There's another package which doesn't contain the development packages. I was thinking of trying it out if I need that one. Maybe less packages, because it's just minstick, right? I mean, it just is. Burn an ISO on USB. Having all those development packages is a lot. Powerful control is trying to link to something with Pipewire, so probably that's the reason. So on the to-do list, Telegram is working, although they said somewhere in a red line, not supported, there are problems, etc. But I did not test it any further. And Vivaldi, I still need to figure out. Oh no, cool, that's fixed. So Vivaldi is working. And now every key binding should work as well. So there are key bindings in here. Ctrl-Alt-F and Ctrl-Alt-V is working. So cool. So this is how far that I got. And yeah, it's fun figuring out, well, same process, the same workflow with on a different system. There are differences, absolutely, right? Solus, Ubuntu-like things, Debian. Yeah, now we're in Void. Interesting. Enjoy the learning, enjoy the code, because the code is there. See what I did on the code here. It's not perfect, and that's not the point. The point that it's a road we're walking, and some of the things are not supposed to be here. This is PPA for Ubuntu. Like I said, I started with Ubuntu and then just did my thing. The video is maybe not that long, 21 minutes. I just want to test something out. Fisher tight. Can I just Ctrl-A, Ctrl-C into fish, which is the point. Where are you? Config. I was looking over it. Fish, Ctrl-V. Let's see. It's a virtual machine. Huh? It's working. So now we see this look, this design kind of thing, data. So it's just a copy paste over for, how was it called? Fisher or something? Not that one, that one. Fisher tight. So have a look, GitHub Fisher tight, and then you have this kind of look. Not important, but fun, right? So the rest, this is not done. This is for built for Debian and Ubuntu, right? This is done. So that's different. Here we're gonna xbps install things. So my question was, is this enough? Maybe this one is equally good. So that's for another test. And we play around with it, right? Enjoy. Cheers.